Hello everyone, do you have a long article, a document, a PDF or a story that you're too busy to read through? Let me show you how to summarize it in seconds using AI. So we're going to be making use of a free AI tool called Google AI Studio. Just head over to your browser and type Google AI Studio and click enter. So once you're there, this very first link here, click on it. So when you open Google AI Studio for your first time, this is what you're going to see. So you need to sign up to this tool in order for you to use it. So just click on sign up. If it's your first time, click on sign up to Google AI Studio. For me, I'm going to be clicking sign into Google AI Studio. So when you're there, just choose from which account you want to sign in and follow the process, enter your password, and you're going to be signed in to this tool. So when you successfully sign up, you're going to be directed to a working space like this. So we're going to start a new chat. Also note that here at the left corner, we have a token count of about 1 million. A token is equivalent to about 1 word. So this tool actually helps you to summarize a document with thousands and thousands of words. So it's actually a very great tool. So to summarize your document, this plus sign here, just go ahead and click on it. If your document is on your drive, just click on here, just click on my drive, and then you upload your document from drive. But if it is in your local storage, then just click on upload file, and then you choose the file you want to work with in your storage. Our document has been uploaded successfully, and we can see that this document takes up 3,600 of our tokens. If you look again at the left corner of this workspace, you're going to see the number of tokens that has been used relatively to the total tokens you have. So when you do this, just go ahead and write any prompts. This document has been uploaded to your prompts. Now let's say we want a 1-paragraph summary of this document. We're going to say, give me a 1-paragraph summary of this document. And when you're done typing your prompt, just click on run. So let's wait for this to be generated. It tells us the essentials of what the research is about. So we can see that the AI did just that and gave us a summary for these documents. Note that you can go ahead and ask the AI for anything you want from these documents. For example, let's ask the AI, give me the various chapters in this document in bullet form. Once again, when you're done typing your prompts, just click on run. We can see the AI comes out with all the chapters that are available in that document, chapter 1 till chapter 4. So you're going to use the same procedure to extract whatever information you need from these documents, be it an article, a research article, a story, and whatever. You're just going to use this same procedure. So let's say you don't have your Let's say you want to summarize something that is not in a PDF or Word document. What you're going to do is just to copy that, no matter how long it is, and just paste it here. And then you go ahead to follow the same procedure to ask the AI to summarize it for you and ask for any information that you want from that block of text. And this is it. AI just saved you hours and days of reading long articles, documents, and stories. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more AI tips.